From mountain fields to sealed tea bags, this journey is hidden from most people.
This tiny leaf travels thousands of miles before it reaches your cup. Our journey begins in the lush highlands, where the world's finest tea is born.
Every leaf here is grown with precision, tradition, and patience.
Only the youngest, tender leaves are selected for premium quality tea.
As dawn breaks, skilled harvesters begin their daily routine.
Harvest begins with a delicate touch. Hand-picking ensures only the finest leaves are chosen.
Each leaf is handled with care to preserve its natural aroma.
The beauty of tea farming lies in its harmony and discipline. Freshly plucked leaves are gathered for their first quality check. Only perfect leaves advance to the processing facility. The sorted harvest is packed gently to avoid crushing. Speed and care ensure the leaves remain tender and green. From the quiet fields, the tea begins its journey toward modern processing.
Nature and technology meet where tradition enters the factory gates.
This facility transforms fresh leaves into the tea enjoyed worldwide.
Every batch is handled with precision from the moment it arrives.
Quality inspection begins immediately to preserve flavor potential.
The leaves now enter a carefully controlled production line.
From the garden's freshness, the journey moves into scientific refinement.
Withering begins the transformation from leaf to tea.
Withering begins by spreading the leaves to allow controlled moisture loss. Cool, steady airflow reduces moisture without heating the leaves.
The leaves soften, becoming flexible for the next stages.
Every minute is monitored to achieve the perfect wither.
Hands-on adjustments help maintain uniformity across each batch.
This hall transforms tons of fresh leaves into pliable tea material.
As the leaves relax, their natural aroma slowly wakes.
Time and controlled airflow work together to unlock the tea's true character.
Smart sensors ensure the process remains balanced from start to finish.
Data collected here guides the next stage of production.
Human expertise and machine precision operate side by side.
Once softened, the leaves are ready for mechanical shaping. Uniform layering ensures consistent rolling results.
Aroma deepens noticeably when withering is complete.
Only perfectly withered leaves move on to rolling, the heart of tea shaping.
Precision moisture control guarantees consistent tea quality. Now softened and aromatic, the leaves begin their transformation.
Withering ends here, where freshness becomes readiness for true tea creation.
Rolling begins the transformation that unlocks tea's natural aroma and flavor. Pressure and motion twist the leaves into their characteristic shape. This controlled pressure breaks cell walls, releasing essential juices. Every rotation develops deeper flavor and aroma.
Experts monitor softness and curl to ensure consistency.
A gentle cut increases surface area for even fermentation.
The leaves begin to resemble the tea we recognize. Proper rolling ensures the tea will ferment evenly.
Dozens of machines work together, processing thousands of leaf batches daily.
Vibrating tables separate the leaves so oxygen reaches every part.
Cooling stabilizes the leaves before controlled oxidation begins.
A darker hue signals the leaves are ready for fermentation.
Each batch is logged to maintain precise processing standards.
The leaves now carry the essential juices that shape tea's fragrance.
From mechanical shaping, the tea enters a biological transformation. Carefully rolled leaves begin oxidation under controlled heat and humidity.
Here, the character of the tea develops fully.
Warm, moist air activates natural enzymes inside the leaf.
Fermentation begins the moment the rolled leaves meet warm, humid air.
Natural enzymes activate, changing the color, aroma, and character of the tea. Moist air maintains the perfect environment for oxidation.
Precision controls ensure every degree and every minute is perfect. Exposure to oxygen allows fermentation to proceed evenly. This hall transforms leaf chemistry into flavor.
Oxidation deepens the richness and aroma of traditional tea.
Each batch follows a precise timeline, crafted through decades of experience.
Expert noses detect when fermentation has reached perfection.
Uniform spreading prevents hot spots and ensures balanced oxidation.
Heat generated by oxidation is monitored closely.
The leaf's natural enzymes work slowly, unlocking deeper color.
Controlled humidity keeps the leaves flexible and active.
Temperature tells the exact stage of oxidation.
Once fermentation reaches the ideal level, the leaves must be dried immediately.
Color confirmation ensures every batch matches factory standards.
To lock in flavor, the leaves must be dried at carefully controlled temperatures. Fermentation ends here, where flavor is perfected and preserved.
To preserve flavor, the fermented leaves must be dried with absolute precision.
Heat removes moisture while protecting the delicate aroma. Every leaf is exposed to balanced heat for uniform drying.
Even a single degree can change the teal's flavor profile.
Steam escapes as the leaves release their final moisture.
Skilled operators monitor every batch with trained eyes.
Movement ensures every leaf dries evenly without burning.
Color deepens as moisture stabilizes at the ideal level.
Moisture readings confirm the exact moment drying is complete.
Once dried, leaves must cool to lock in the final flavor. Cooling prevents condensation and preserves crisp texture.
Dried tea should crumble slightly, not break apart completely.
Each batch holds the fragrance and flavor perfected during drying. A light cleaning removes loose particles without harming the leaves. Lab checks ensure each batch meets international tea standards.
With drying perfected, the tea is ready for the art of grading. Sorting begins by separating the leaf. Layered sieves divide the tea into leaf grades according to size and shape.
Finer grades are captured separately for specialized tea varieties.
The largest, unbroken leaves are selected for high-quality orthodox tea.
CTC tea granules are sorted to ensure consistent size for stronger brews.
Even with advanced machinery, human expertise enhances quality.
Each grade is collected separately to maintain purity and aroma.
Accurate weighing ensures proper blending and packaging.
This facility handles thousands of kilograms with flawless precision daily.
Aroma checks verify that oxidation and drying produce the ideal fragrance.
Blending creates signature flavors unique to each tea brand.
Blending ratios are precisely controlled through digital profiles. Once sorted and blended, the tea is ready for final packaging. Sorting completes a crucial step, defining the tea's identity and quality.
With grading finished, the tea enters the final stage, packaging into tea bags. With grading complete,
each tea bag begins as a sterile filter paper, prepared for accurate filling. Exact measurements guarantee consistent strength in every cup.
Heat seals protect aroma while keeping the tea secure.
Tags and strings are attached with flawless accuracy. A steady stream of completed bags emerges from the assembly line. Robots ensure precise counting without human error. Each carton is filled with exactly the right number of tea bags. Boxes are formed instantly to receive the fresh tea bags. Every box is sealed tightly to maintain freshness. Batch coding guarantees traceability from factory to consumer.
Automation speeds up packing while protecting delicate tea bags.
Each bundle passes quality standards for durability.
Robotic stacking ensures stability during long-distance shipping.
Scanning records each batch for warehouse inventory.
Behind every tea bag is a perfectly synchronized system.
Packaging completes the journey from leaf to ready-to-brew tea. Once packaged, the tea is stored carefully for its final journey.
Every pallet is handled with care to protect freshness during transport.
Accurate tracking ensures every box reaches the right destination.
Temperature control protects the tea from humidity and heat. Nothing is left to chance. Every step is engineered for safety. A sealed shipment ensures quality remains untouched until delivery. From the highlands to cities worldwide, tea travels thousands of miles.
This moment captures the essence of the entire journey.
And that is how your tea is made, from fresh leaves to perfect tea bags.
Quality, dedication, and tradition. Every step matters.
It all begins with a leaf and ends with a moment of comfort.
Subscribe to explore more fascinating factory stories.